Carol Church here. We are out at this great location. It's called Chatham Forest. This is the model home. It is one of my very favorite models that Meritage Homes builds. It's called the Chatham model. It's 5-bedroom, I think 4-bath, 3-bath, 2-car garage. Gorgeous plan, gorgeous layout. You're going to love it, so come along with me. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen in this Chatham model. I love it. Love the floor plan, love everything about it. This is a very nice community, a nice location, Lyman Duncan area. The builder is Meritage Homes. We have sold many of their homes and we like them a lot. None of our clients have complained, so that's always a plus, yeah. In here, the prices start from $316,900 at this time. On a treasure.
I don't know if it's a treasure or not, but one of the things that they do, apparently in this model at least, is when they vent this microwave in your stove, it goes to the outside. It doesn't vent back into the house, so you won't have all the cooking fumes and all that. Yeah. So that's a really, really nice feature for those, those clients that are looking for that.
It is.
Very nice.
I like that you found that. Good job.
That's just me being nosy.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm headed upstairs in the Chatham model. So you've got this big bonus room area up here. Very nice. And I have to show you one thing that we really love about these homes is they are very energy efficient. They do use a spray foam. In fact, they're giving you an example, a cutout example to let you know what spray foam looks like. And all of these homes have that. So that's very, very nice. So yes, this would be a great place for the kids to hang out. If you have teenagers, how awesome is this? Okay, so I'm going to start over here to the right of the stairs. We've got a good sized bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Plenty of natural light. Ceramic tile floors. Double vanity. Water closet through there. Nice big shower with ceramic tile. Linen closet back here. And I'll have to say one of the favorite things of this model is this closet in the master bedroom is huge and it's attached to the laundry room. So you can do your laundry and then hang it right up in your closet. Plus, there's another door for the kids to do their own laundry, of course. And you've got a linen closet here. You've got a bedroom over here. I love how they decorate these model homes. Closet. Linen closet. Then you've got a full bathroom here with a double vanity. Tub shower combo. Ceramic tile floor. Another bedroom over here. Closet. Cute. Love this plan. And then we've got another bedroom over here. So plenty of bedrooms. 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs for a guest suite or an in-law suite, whatever you want to make it into. Okay, so I'm taking you out here on the back porch. You do get a little cement pad out here with your house. So I wanted you to see that you can have fences out here, but you have to get it okayed with your HOA, of course, as to what kind of fence you are allowed to have out here. Yeah. Yes, you will just love the area. Duncan, South Carolina is very convenient. It's right in the middle between Greenville and Spartanburg, South Carolina. So it's got a great location. These homes are built by Meritage. This is Chatham Forest, and we're driving around a little bit. There's plenty of lots still, of course. At the top of this hill, we wanted to point out that there is a little cemetery up here by the mailbox station. I would imagine that at one time all the land, belonged to this family. So you can't just dig it up. So that's what that's about. It's very well done, with a nice fence around there, nice markers, trees, and everything. So here we are showing you homes on the next street over. The schools here are highly rated. These are energy efficient homes. This is a master plan community. The amenities will include a pool, cabana, dog park, and it's saying and more. I'm not sure what that is. There are 1- and 2-story home plans out here. Thank you for joining us today. If you can see you and your family living here in Chatham Forest in Duncan, South Carolina, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you out.